Welcome back, guys. My name is Lewis from Primo Tailoring, and I'm going to show you how to restore your denim. It happens all the time where we get guys pulling up their pants by their belt loops, or just right by this pocket seam, we get a tear and the fabric rips. And this is very unfortunate, but because it is a jean denim material, it's not very hard to repair this product because it's easy to hide the stitching, it's easy to add fusing and glue to keep everything held together because it is a very durable fabric. So in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to fix the back patch right by the pocket and how to make it look clean and reattach everything. Okay, so let's get right into it. What we're going to do is take off the pocket next to the hole. This is going to allow us to get as close and reinforce the hole from all sides. So you can take a seam ripper, I'm going to use a razor blade and just pluck all this apart. Now that we've got everything ripped open and we can access that hole, we're going to grab a piece of scrap denim and we are going to cut it to the hole size. Now for us, it's going to be a 3x3 patch. 3x3. Now this is a very dark denim, so what we're going to do is use the underside just as the backing so that it doesn't shine through. Grab my pinking shears. So from here, we're going to take our patch, we're going to feed it into the inside, we're going to add some glue to that so that it makes a nice reinforcement piece so that when we go and stitch everything together, it doesn't go anywhere. So while I'm doing this next point, what I'll do is try and push all of those fibers and threads back onto the inside. So again, there's just less visibility once I go to stitch over everything. So we're going to actually turn these upside down. Go ahead and pull all those fibers into the inside. And if you're doing this for the first time, sometimes it is helpful to go over and add some tacks over the hole just to keep all the pieces in place. But if you've got a pretty good idea of what you're doing, you can just go ahead and use your hands. Take some of these pieces. So what we're doing here is adding glue to the back of the patch so that it can stick to the hole and keep the fraying in place, keep the patch in place as we move everything around. So that's just holding that there temporarily, and that is what we are left with. So now we will go over to the machine, grab some matching thread, and zigzag. So here we are, have everything stitched down. You can see that I took the stitching a good bit in to the denim piece just because I want to make sure that all of those threads are going to be holding that together. No chance of it ripping. So now is the last step. Now this is also a reason why we take off the pocket, is because when we reapply it, we can shimmy it over ever so slightly, not to create a pulling in the pocket like that. We don't want any pulling. But we do want to pull it over ever so slightly to kind of cover up as much as of that hole as possible. So we'll end up putting a pin here, and then we will just follow these stitching lines right back down, put a tack at the top, and that will cover up the whole of the pants very nicely. And there you have it, a nicely patched and put together pair of jeans. This is not going anywhere and will serve the purpose to keeping these jeans on the road for many, many more wears. And there we are. We've got everything fixed up and ready for you guys to wear your jeans again. This method can work on any part of the jean that gets ripped. As long as you have that matching thread and a nice backing piece to keep it all firm, you're going to be good as gold. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions or want to share this with a friend, please do so because it helps us grow the channel. Thanks, and I look forward to working with you guys next time.